Suppose we want to transpose a piece of music that's a little bit more involved than just a melody and chord symbols. Suppose, for instance, we have a piano accompaniment that we've written out in full, like the piano accompaniment we made for Over the Rainbow. Well, let's take a look at that. So here is my piano accompaniment, along with the melody of Over the Rainbow in my original key of C. And let me play just the first 4 bars and just the accompaniment. I'm not going to play the melody, just the accompaniment. Now I want to move this accompaniment up by the same interval. I want to transpose it up by the same interval that I had transposed the melody, the interval of a minor third. So how do I do that? Well, it's going to be almost exactly the same process. I'm going to go chord by chord, and I'm going to transpose each note of each chord up by a minor third. So I've already written out a key signature here because I know, since I'm moving up a minor third, I'm starting in the key of C, so moving up a minor third, I'm going to be moving into the key of B flat. E flat. So I've already written out my E flat major key signature here. So now I don't have to write all of those flats every time I encounter B flat or E flat or A flat. But the procedure is going to be exactly the same. And let's start with our very first chord right here, the C major chord. And I'm going to start in the left hand. In the left hand, we have, in our original, we have 2 C's. And we're going to move those 2 C's up a minor third. So if we move the C's up a minor third, we end up on E flat. So I'm going to write an E flat in octaves down here. And again, I don't have to write the flat symbol now because my key signature is doing that work for me, saying that all the E's that I write on the staff are going to be E flats. So in my left hand, I have a C major chord, so C, E, G. So the C is going to go up a minor third to become an E flat. The E is going to go up a minor third to become a G, and the G is going to go up a minor third to become a B flat. So there we go. There's my first chord. Next chord. Let's start with the left hand again. So we're going to start with the A, or the A in octaves in the original. If we move those up a minor third, those are going to go to C. So I'm going to write a C in octaves here. And then in the right hand, I have C, E, A. So the C is going to go up a minor third to become E flat. The E is going to go up a minor third to become G, and the A is going to go up a minor third to become C. And again, I don't have to write the E flat out because that is covered in my key signature. Okay, next chord. And let's start again with the bass. So I have 2 E's in the bass clef here. Those are going to go up a minor third to become 2 G's, or 2 G's in octaves. In my right hand, I have B, E, and G. So the B is going to go up a minor third to become D. The E is going to go up a minor third to become G. The G is going to go up a minor third to become B flat. And I don't need a stem there. All right, let's go to the fourth chord right here. Left hand, we have 2 D's. Those 2 D's are going to go up a minor third to become F and F. And then in the right hand, I have A, D, and F. So the A goes up a minor third to become C. The D goes up a minor third to become F. The F goes up a minor third to become A flat. And again, I don't need to write out that A flat because it's covered in the key signature. Next chord. In my left hand, I have G and G. So those G's are going to go up a minor third to become B flat, which again I don't have to write out. And then in my right hand I have B, D, G. So the B is going to go up a minor third to become G. I'm sorry, B is going to go up a minor third to become D. The D is going to go up a minor third to become F. And the G is going to go up a minor third to become B flat. There we go. Then my next chord, I have E in the bass, so the E is going to go up a minor third to become G. And in the right hand, I have B, E, and G, so the B goes up a minor third to become D. The E goes up a minor third to become G. The G goes up a minor third to become B flat. And then my last chord, this is going to be a little bit interesting. In the left hand, I have two A's, and those A's are going to go up a minor third to become two C's in octaves, like this. But in my right hand, I have my first chromatic note, the C sharp. That C sharp is not naturally in the key of C major. So I'm going to have to just make sure that I handle this correctly. So let's do that. The C sharp is going to go up a minor third, and what is a minor third up from C sharp? A minor third up from C sharp is E natural. But remember, since I have the E flat already in my key signature, I'm going to have to specify that E natural. I'm going to have to make sure that that E flat becomes an E natural. Then my next note is in the original is an E, and that E is going to go up a minor third to become a G, and then the A on the top is going to go up a minor third to become a C. And there you have it. So let me play through my newly transposed accompaniment, and let's see if our ears tell us if we have done the job correctly. And it sounds absolutely right. And one way that we can check ourselves is to check ourselves against the chord symbols. If there are chord symbols, we can check ourselves against the chord symbols that they have transposed, and everything should end up in the same place. So that concludes the series of videos on transposition by interval. In the next set of videos, we'll look at transposition by analysis, which uses some of the same skills but takes a little bit of a different perspective.